watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to our guide on effortless summer decorating ideas you'll adore. Inspired by Jenna Kate at home, we've compiled a list of easy and delightful ways to bring summer vibes into your home. Whether you want to brighten up your living space or add some seasonal touches, these ideas are perfect for creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Let's dive into these simple summer decor ideas that are sure to make your home feel fresh and vibrant. Switch to lighter colors. Brighten up your home for summer by switching to lighter colors. Use soft shades of blue, cream, beige, and white to create a more open and airy feel. This can be achieved by opting for lighter fabrics for your curtains, bedding, throw pillows, and rugs. Replace dark vases and artwork with light-colored ones to make your rooms feel brighter and more welcoming. Clear out the clutter. Summer is the perfect time to declutter and simplify your home. Use baskets to organize and store items, keeping your spaces clean and uncluttered. Large rattan baskets are both functional and stylish, helping to keep laundry, toys, and other items off the floor while adding a decorative touch. Incorporate greenery and fresh blooms. Bring nature indoors with greenery, fresh flowers, and botanical prints. Live plants like ferns or palms create an airy ambience, while summer flowers such as hydrangeas add vibrant color. If maintaining live plants is a challenge, opt for realistic fall flowers and stems. Summer bedroom ideas. Update your bedroom for summer by introducing cotton and linen fabrics. These natural materials are breathable and comfortable, perfect for warm nights. Swap your usual bedding and throw blankets with lighter cotton or linen versions. Consider switching to sheeter or linen look curtains to enhance the light and airy feel. Living room summer decor ideas. Refresh your living room by updating throw pillows, rugs, and baskets. Choose lighter or brighter colors for throw pillows and opt for natural fiber rugs like jute or sisal to create a beachy vibe. Woven baskets made from materials like rattan or seagrass add texture and provide storage. Add a touch of summer to your kitchen. Brighten up your kitchen with citrus colors and summer-inspired artwork. Display a bowl of fresh lemons, limes, or oranges as a centerpiece, and swap out heavy linens for lighter, more vibrant options. Add summery prints or photos to your walls or shelves. Adding summer accents to entryways. Enhance your entryway with summer accents like greenery and decorative planters and seasonal items such as sun hats or beach bags. Replace heavy rugs with lighter materials to create a bright and airy feel. Make the most of your outdoor spaces. Treat your patio, porch, or deck like an extension of your living room. Add a rug to ground the space and bring out throw pillows and blankets for coziness. Decorate with potted plants and consider upgrading your outdoor furniture for a more inviting retreat. Use creative lighting like lanterns and string lights to add ambience. For your front door, refresh your front door with a new doormat. After months of harsh weather, a clean and fresh doormat will instantly improve the look of your entryway. Make or purchase a wreath. Every season deserves a new front door wreath. For summer, choose a simple dried olive wreath or a colorful foul peony or DIY hydrangea wreath to add a welcoming touch. Add window boxes to your home's exterior. Enhance your home's curb appeal with window boxes filled with vibrant flowers and plants. Choose combinations of flowers that showcase your style and add beauty and color to your windowsills. We hope these effortless summer decorating ideas have inspired you to refresh your home for the season. By incorporating lighter colors, decluttering, and adding natural elements, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere perfect for summer. Enjoy the process and make your home a beautiful, relaxing haven for you and your loved ones. Happy decorating!